Hey, Spirit Taekwondo family, Master Starnes here, and I got a really cool video for you to practice. It's going to be how to do your knee raising roundhouse kick style. So you're going to take your back leg, you're going to bring your knee up just like we did for the regular knee raising. But when you reach this point, we're going to twist. So I'm going to show you from this view here. So we're going to bring the back leg up here, and then when you reach this point, you're going to raise your ankle, and then the knee stays this height. You're going to twist like this. And try to keep your knee level with your body as opposed to like that, okay? So you're gonna bring your knee straight up. Once you reach its peak, you're gonna turn like this. Now to make that turn possible, it's the standing foot you have to focus on. If you see my standing foot, my toes are pointing towards you or towards the way I'm kicking, and then when I'm gonna make my twist, those toes are gonna turn to face the opposite direction. So this foot is going to face the opposite direction as to where I'm extending my leg from. So that is going to be the beginning of the kick or roundhouse kick. Remember to come up and then twist. The standing leg has to be strong so as to keep balance, as opposed to bringing up your leg here, turning, and then you got like a leg like this. So strong, push into the floor. Keep your eyes focused and keep your hands always closed nicely and tight to keep more of a balance. And that's the knee raising for your roundhouse kick. Practice a lot, have fun. Thanks for watching.